Class 10, Chapter 12, Applications of Trigonometry. Applications of Trigonometry, Exercise 2, first problem. Exercise 12.2, first problem. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of a road from a point on the other side, directly opposite to the tower. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees. From another point 10 meters away from the point on the line joining these point on the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degrees. Find the height of the tower and width of the road. We should find height of the tower and width of the road. Here angle of elevation given 30 degrees and 60 degrees, and from a point 10 meters distance. Look at the figure. A TV tower stands vertically on the side of the road. On the side of a road, this is a road. We should find height of the tower and width of the road. And a person is observing from here. Angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Again he moves 10 meters away from here. From here onwards you will observe a person is observing from a distance of 10 meters. He will get an angle 30 degrees. Here 30 degrees. Therefore angle of elevation is 30 degrees, angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Now here keep it in mind, when you will come near to any tower, anything means you will get angle will be increases. If you will go far from the tower, angle will be decreases. See, once is going far means 30 degrees, angle decreases. Here coming near to the tower means angle is increasing 60 degrees. We should find the height of the tower and width of the road. Once again repeat, a tower stands vertically on the side of the road. This is road. On the side of the road, one person is observing from other side of the road. He got an angle of elevation is 60 degrees. Again he will move away from this point 10 meters away from this point and observing. Again angle of elevation from here is 30 degrees. Remember, you will go far means you will get angle decreasing. When you will come near, angle is increasing. Now we should find height of the tower and width of the road. एक टावर है, टीवी टावर, और रोड के बीच साइड है, और रोड के उस तरफ से एक आदमी देख रहा टावर को. देखे तो एंगल 60 डिग्री आ रहा. वहाँ से 10 मीटर्स दूर में गए जाने के बाद वहाँ से देख रहा, वहाँ देखे तो 30 डिग्री से एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन है. हम लोग को क्या करना बोलता, హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ करना, విడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద రోడ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ करना. తెలుగులో ఒక టవర్ ఒక రోడ్ పక్కన ఉంది, ఇంకో రోడ్ పక్కన ఉండే ఒక అబ్బాయి చూస్తున్నాడు. ఇక్కడ నుండి చూస్తే 60 డిగ్రీస్ యాంగిల్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ నుండి చూస్తే కొంచెం దూరం 10 మీటర్స్ దూరం పోయి అక్కడ నుండి చూస్తే 30 డిగ్రీస్ యాంగిల్ వచ్చింది, యాంగిల్ ఆఫ్ ఎలివేషన్. మనం ఏం కనుక్కోవాలంటే హైట్ ఆఫ్ ద టవర్ కనుక్కోవాలి, విడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద రోడ్ కనుక్కోవాలి. హియర్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ ఫిగర్ ఈజ్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. కీప్ ఇట్ ఇన్ మైండ్. హౌ టు డ్రా ద ఫిగర్ you know means you can prove the problem easily. A, here I'll take B, here I'll take C, here I'll take D. A, B, C, D. Now we will take a triangle A, B, C and A, B, D are the required triangles to prove the problem. Two right angle triangles will get a. Let the height of the tower AB is equals to h meters and width of the road BC is equals to x meters. Here height of the tower AB is equals to h and width of the road is equals to x. Here distance between the point of observation CA and D, CD is equals to 10 meters and angle of elevations are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. Next point, next steps. Distance between the point of observation from C and D, CD is 10 meters. This is given. Angle of elevations are 60 degrees and 30 degrees. See here I am drawing separately right angle triangle with the 30 degrees and with 60 degrees, 30 degrees and 60 degrees. Again I will take this triangle ABC. I will draw here triangle ABC to prove the problem. Triangle ABC. Here longest side is hypotenuse. Longest side is hypotenuse and hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side. Adjacent side. Angle opposite is called opposite side. Now we will take tan theta. Tan theta is equal opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. From the figure, in a triangle ABC, in a triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now we will take tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side by adjacent side. Here tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Tan 60 degrees is equal to root 3. Here opposite side is equal to what? Opposite side is called AB. Opposite side is called AB and adjacent side is equal to BC. Adjacent side is equal to BC. Now root 3 by 1 is equal to AB is equal to height of the tower H. AB is equal to height of the tower H and BC is equal to width of the road. Width of the road BC is equal to X. Now by cross multiplication we will find H value. H is equal to root 3 into X. We will find H value root 3 into X. Root 3 into X. This is equation 1. Next right angle triangle will take triangle ABD. See here I am drawing separately triangle ABD. ABD is a right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Here longest side is hypotenuse. Here longest side is hypotenuse and hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side. Hypotenuse B side is called adjacent side and another side is opposite side, or else angle opposite is called opposite side. Here we will take tan theta. Tan theta is called opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. From the figure, in a triangle ABD, in a triangle ABD, angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Angle B is equal to 90 degrees. Now tan 30 degrees is equal to tan 30 degrees is equal to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta. Opposite side theta is equal to 30 degrees. Opposite side by adjacent side. Now here tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. Here opposite side is equal to what? Opposite side is equal to AB. Opposite side is equal to AB. And adjacent side is equal to BD. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB is the height of the tower H. AB is equal to H and BD is equal to X plus 10. BD is equal to X plus 10. Now by cross multiplication, root 3 into H, root 3 into H is equal to 1 into X plus 10, X plus 10. Now root 3 writing RHS side, transposing root 3 to RHS side, multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. H is equals to x plus 10 by root 3. Multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. Means you should write in the denominator place. This is equation 2. From equations 1 and 2 we get x plus 10 by root 3. This is equation 2. H is equals to, and another equation 1, h is equals to root 3x. Therefore x plus 10 by root 3 is equal to root 3x. Now root 3 by 1 and cross multiply. Root 3 into root 3, root 3 into root 3 x is equals to x plus 10 into 1, x plus 10. Now root 3 into root 3 whole square. Now here square root and square get cancelled. 3 into x will remain, x plus 10 as it is will write. Now 3 into x, 3x is equals to x plus 10 as it is right. Now write x LHS side, transposing x to LHS side, plus quantity becomes minus quantity. 3x minus x is equals to 10. Now 3x minus x, 2x is equals to 10. Now these two write RHS side. Here multiplication quantity becomes division quantity. X is equals to 10, write as it is. These two you should write in the denominator place. 2 1s, 2 5s. Therefore x is equals to 5 meters. Width of the river is equal 5 meters. And substituting value of x, substituting value of x in equation 1. Since equation 1 is h is equals to root 3 into x, this is equation 1. Now h is equals to root 3 into x is equals to, just now we proved above, 5. H is equals to 5 into root 3 meters. Here h is equals to 5 into 1.732. Here root 3 is equal to 1.732. H is equals to 5 into 1732, multiply means 1732 into 5 you will multiply means 8.660 meters you will get. Therefore h is equals to, height is equals to 8.66 meters, height of the tower. Therefore width of the road is equals to 5 meters and height of the tower is equals to 5 into root 3 or 8.66 meters. 8.66 meters. Here width of the road is equals to 5 meters. Width of the road is equal to 5 meters and height of the tower is equals to 8.66 meters or h is equals to 5 into root 3. H is equal to 8.66 meters or h is equal to 5 into root 3. Hence we proved.